So growing up Asian American has always been interesting because when you go through school, when you go through work, when you apply for jobs or go through interviews, everyone always has a certain level of expectation for you with respect to your academics, what you should be focusing on, the fact that like more Asian Americans are interested in math and science than the humanities. So that expectation has always been detrimental to me as someone who's been much more of a social sciences person, someone that's interested in history, humanities, English, and writing. Um, in addition to that, I grew up at the intersection of being brown and Asian American, so you also face a substantial amount of racism and prejudice. It wouldn't be surprising for you to get called out in the street for your race, or even face racial issues or discrimination at school. So being at that intersection is really unique because not only do you face the model minority myth where everyone expects you to be smart and good at math and good at science, but you also face a lot of racism and a lot of prejudice, structural prejudice that you wouldn't normally expect for someone of an East Asian descent.